Are you curious about M2? Like, did we talk enough about it? There,
Oh, well, I mean, you had your M series engineer
they had a lot of charts
in his
again.
layer
Yeah.
with the charts that have become a favorite amongst the community of how much better and faster. You had stated, because I was curious about this, you're still charging more money for the Pro models. So obviously this version of M2 that's going to be in the $1199 MacBook Air can't be as good as the Pro M1 stuff. So it's kind of funny. They got to strike this balance that it has to be an improvement over stock M1, but it can't go too far where it's kind of cannibalizing the Pro model sales. And I'm not talking about the 13 Pro. I'm talking about the 14 and 16 Pro.
Yeah, I heard that the M2 is going to be more powerful than obviously the M1, but not as powerful as the M1 Pro.
So they fit it somewhere in the middle, and they just created the scenario for about 1 billion comparison videos to take place. So for people who are on the fence, they can sit and wait for all that content to flow. Of course, we had our guy back there, and all kinds of numbers. They hit you with the chart. They're like 40% faster neural engine, 24 gigs of RAM, 18% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU, hence your Resident Evil demonstration, 50% more memory bandwidth, 6K external display support, ProRes encode decode, 100 gigabytes per second memory bandwidth. Yeah. I listen, man, for what we do around here, even shooting all types of 4K video, all types of ProRes and so on, you can manage that stuff even on a regular M1. You know, I mean, you could obviously see improvements, but it's just amazing what's going on here. And it really, what it means is, in the past where I was always ordering top specification, I don't even really think like that anymore. That's how good this stuff is. I don't even really think, for what I do,
it's fully capable.
Yeah, you don't. I really think the value point is to stay more current, but to not buy the maxed out specification. For sure, stay in their pre-builds. Don't get too crazy on the CTO. Is what we used to call it. When you use the custom order a Mac, take longer. CTO order. I used to work at a reseller for like not very long, and I had my own shop. And come on, Will, we don't need a history lesson again over here, do we?
What's it called again?
CTO, I guess, is a custom. I'm going to try to imagine what the T and the O stand for. Order. Custom. What's the T?
Tech?
A custom tech order. That's right.
There you go.
Anyway.